All right, so this is the short intro to how to use Storyboard, that to make your friendship project storyboard. So first things first, you're going to want to go to Layout and click your cell layout option for cell and description. That way you have an area to write your sentences, and then your supporting picture can be added in the cell. You can also change the layout option, but for the tutorial, we're just going to keep with the traditional storyboard option. You're also, well, you might also want to add or delete cells. Okay, just go to add or delete, and then you can select or deselect however many you want. For this one, I did the 6 just as an example. Okay, as you can see, there's 6. I already started so that we can move through this a little bit faster. Okay, we have our introduction slide here. Then we have something a friend would do together. So friends get coffee and talk about what's important. And then I added my quality to this one. So if you want to do a combination, you can. You don't have to. You could do a separate one for each block that you have. But for this one, I also added, you know that you can trust someone who's a good friend with your secrets because they'll never tell anyone else. And then I had the quality of a toxic friend on this last one. So just to show you guys, again, a quick tutorial. So I went and added my characters here in my scenes. To add a scene, you just go up to scenes. Let's say you'll click school. Okay. You can add a scene that way. If you decide that you want to change it or you don't like that one, you just click it and we're going to delete that one. Okay. Add your characters by selecting them and then dropping them onto your screen. Okay. And we'll get back to characters in a second. If you want to add textables like I did here, hey, my name is Charlie, or sorry, hey Charlie, I'm Ted. You can, you'll just do something like, hi, I'm Charlie. Okay. In this story. Then I'm going to make this smaller because it doesn't need to be as large. If you want to move it instead of type on it, you do need to click somewhere else on your screen and then wait for that little hand to pop up, and we'll just drag it down to where I want it. All right, now adding characters in different poses. So we're going to go back to characters, drag and drop, and we're going to edit the pose. If you want to change the other qualities of your character, like the outfits, hair, whatever, you can. For this tutorial, I'm not going to. All right, there are preset poses that you can select. So I want this character to be sitting because they're having coffee together. I also want them to be happy because they're having a good time. Okay, and we're going to move their arms. Okay, I also want the side view because they're sitting. And then we'll update his pose. Now, they can't both be sitting this way in this picture, so I'm going to click the flip horizontally button, and now they can see each other. We can tell that they're talking and having a grand old time. All right, now for this last one, you can add a textable, shapes, an infographic. In this case, I do want to add an infographic. We're going to add, we'll add a phone because we're talking about sending me texts about you. All right. So then I'm going to add another textable. I'm going to add some freeform text. That way it actually looks like it's on the screen. We'll say something like, hey, Bob. It's Charlie. Ted is lame. All right. So then we would have our bad quality. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and I will help you the best that I can. But hopefully this helps you as you work through your project and makes it a lot easier for you guys. I really hope you have fun doing this, and I can't wait to see all your storyboards.